I hope you are enjoying the sessions and that today is the last day. So I hope you will learn the final step, how you should upload and market your content so that whenever you go out of this session, you should be ready with the creating your own content and publishing them on the YouTube for sure. My chat will understand what I'm talking. So I would recommend everyone to use the same chat whenever you are creating the same single content. You don't like change your chat or create a new chat until you have a new content you want to make, or you want to discuss something new which is not related to that topic. Moving ahead with that, so I asked ChatGPT that suggest me the few title options in Hindi for this. And it also recommended like which one I should choose as a recommendation. Out of all these options, it has given me three best choice of. So I can choose any of these, or I can give other options if I'm not aligned with these. So that's how you can choose your titles and modify it further if you want. Then what I did, I went to YouTube and I did some research around that, like what kind of content is being searched on my this specific topic. And I went to the YouTube, I searched that first line, then I got these additional topics on my similar on my topic on which I'm the like we were creating the video in last 3 days. So I have given that a screenshot also and asked him ChatGPT that you should consider these topics also when you create the further details for uploading. I asked ChatGPT to, so basically I have chosen this title and I asked GPT that based on this research data, I mean this, I'm talking about this data and the title, help me write 3 triggering emotion evoking title options for A/B testing. I'll talk about A/B testing, what is A/B testing on YouTube, but right now I'm just telling it here. Also, I've given the requirement that how many words the I mean how many characters will be there in the keywords and everything. I need the CTA. I can also add the social link if I have. I also want to break them into chapters if my video allows to be break into chapters. So I'm just giving you master prompts. If you don't require this chapter thing, you can remove in your prompt when you are giving the prompt in your requirement. Also, I would add like include the story synopsis so that people should, if somebody is not watching the complete film, they can read the story in the description. So that's how I also asked GPT to add that script also. And I also asked to add at least 20 hashtags related to this topic and 500 character keywords, which I will be using as a search tags. And also I asked to give me a pin comment, which I will be using as a pin comment once the video is published and out on YouTube. And further detail like thumbnail titles and everything I have asked. So these are the in the prompt already. So based on that, it has given me three titles options. And this packaged description, it has all the initial keywords, then the story synopsis, something about the channel like, share and subscribe, some social links, and then some few hashtags. Also break them into some chapters and given me the additional 20 hashtags and the keywords I've asked and the pin comment. So that's how I simply create with the one prompt, I can create the entire packaged content, which I can simply copy and paste while uploading on the YouTube. And also given me the thumbnail text ideas, which I have used further to build, thumbnail text ideas and the thumbnail prompt as well. And further, I have used all those prompts to generate those thumbnails as well. You can see here. So I've given the first prompt. The first prompt is given me here with this first text, and I used both and then given it, and it has given me the final thumbnail like this and this and this. So I've tried 3 different emotion to evoke. So I've designed 3 different thumbnails for this. Also, I have, because when you are uploading a content, it must be a part of 1 or 2 playlist, because that way let's say somebody is watching your playlist or somebody have watched your playlist, the playlist also have a separate view count. So let's say my new video coming to an old playlist. So the old playlist already have the views. Let's say 5K views, 10K views. It means those 10K viewers are already getting this new video through that playlist. So creating a playlist is very important. So I have given the prompt to this chat and asked to create me a playlist also. So when you are creating a new playlist, you should use this prompt. If you already have created the playlist, you can simply add while uploading on the YouTube. And that's how I have this playlist title, this description, keyword, hashtag, everything, which I have ready and handy. Now let's move ahead with the hands-on, how we should upload. And these are the initial steps. I'll talk about how we can further validate this. So I'm moving here. Let's say I'm here in the YouTube studio. I'm simply coming to this create button and going to upload a video option. By the way, this option is only, I would recommend for the long videos. If you are uploading the video, short videos, I would recommend to use directly your mobile app. Don't use the laptop or computer for uploading a short videos. So that's the recommendation I'm just telling. So yeah, this is the window open now. I am just putting that video, drag and drop. I'm just putting it here. So the now video is being uploaded. You can see. And I have all these details. You can see some few details are already been filled here. So these are the basic details which I have discussed in the day one, that some default setting that you can do. So these are the default uploads I have set it up. So whenever I'll upload, these details will automatically populate in my every video. Now I need to decide I want these details in the video now or not. But it will come. If you want, you can continue, you can keep this. If you don't, you can delete them. That's okay. So let's say I have these details. Now you can see if you have integrated the vidIQ. So you can see there's a score coming here in the title. You can see here. Is your title is your title effective or not? Is this title rank or not? Okay, so these things matters. So now because this is the new channel, I have not done all the verification details at the backend. So there are a few details are not showing, which is the A/B testing, external links. These requires the verification which I have talked about day one. Those are the eligibility criteria which we need to finish unless you won't see those details. So for that matter, what I will do, I'll jump to the another studio. I'll show you. But for this, let's start with the quick putting those details which we have extracted. So I'm just putting this title 1 for now here. Sorry, I put this title here. So it will show us the total score. The score has increased to 74 now. You can try different titles. Let's say I'm trying the second one. Let's see how it says what is score it performs. It has 78 now. Let's move with the third one. It has 69. So I would recommend to go with the second one because it has a highest score. At the same time, I would recommend you can use all three titles just for the, because we are not doing the A/B testing right now. So we can add all three titles here for some day, initial, for let's say for 1 week. Then later you can remove them. You can edit them and you can remove them after a week time. So that by that time it will be sent to those interested people. But you can see there are three things are very repetitive. So you can remove them. Basically, you can only keep unique ones. You should not use the repeat. That is the recommendation I would give. That's how I have used all three titles in the description, but I have used one title in the so YouTube says whatever you are putting in the title, out of this entire title, 5 of the keywords from the title should be in the description and your search tags. So that will be a combination, like the same 5 keywords in the title, in the description, and in the search tags will make a better option for YouTube to send that specific video to that specific viewers who needs that video. Okay. I'll take the questions later, sir. Whoever is posting the content, I mean the questions. Now I'm just putting this description which I have received from the chat GPT. So I'm copying and pasting it here. I have few keywords also included in the initial. You can see some keywords are added very start of the description. Why? Because now YouTube has changed. It says only those keywords are in the first 200 characters of the description will be at the highest reach point. So if you are using the keywords within the first 200 characters of your description, then there is a high chance that these keywords will be used. Otherwise, those will be in the maybe you can put these keywords in the later part of the channel, I mean of the description, but it won't be that effective for sure. So that's the second recommendation for the keywords. But sometimes, but I would recommend don't keep it for the longer time. You just upload, because since we are talking here for a newer channel, so I would recommend to only use this method for 1 week or 2 weeks. Then you should move this so that people are coming to your channel or watching this content, they can directly read your actual information about the video. So this is the second one. Third, you can also like you can simply say watch more from whatever the channel name, and you're writing your channel name, and you can put, let's say you have any of the video is ranking or doing good, you can put that video link, because that video will link will help this video to go beyond basically. So basically that if one of your video on your channel is ranking or gaining the good views, I would recommend use that video link here in this description just to push this video basically. Okay, that's another tips. Yeah, so it's just the copy paste thing which I'm doing right now with you all. So you can just copy this chapters if the chapter allows in your video, and then you can tweak it like at what time what things is starting in the video, and just edit those timestamps and the title of that video of that section, what is happening in that section. So you can just use that chapter part, and those hashtags and keywords you simply copy and paste in the let's say I'm just copying it here and I'm pasting it in the description part, the hashtags and the keywords also. But keywords I'll paste in the bottom part of the, let's say here, go to the later part of the, yeah, here. So you can see I have added, let me just small zoom out. Yeah, so you can see I have added few keywords in my default settings. If I feel that these are okay, I can keep. You can see the scores also being shown here, like what content or what keywords are at the what value. So you can see 68, 62. So which are in the green, you can consider them. But let's say I don't want to use them. I want to just validate that the new keyword which I have generated from ChatGPT are the good ones or not. Let's say I'm just simply pasting it here. So you can see the scores of those keywords we just pasted from the ChatGPT. So there are good keywords also, but there are bad keywords also, which are the 24, sport, 23, 30, 24. So I would not recommend to use them. So you can just simply get rid of them. Yes, just simply cross them. So that's how you can analyze like what kind of keyword you can use. But still I have a 500 because I have just 500 limit character limit. I still going 675. So then I have to go ahead and move, like remove a few more keywords which are at the low score basically. Let me do that. But like this one is a very low score, Ramantham Films, but this is my channel's name. I would not remove this because this channel is new. Somebody is not, like nobody is searching Ramantham Films right now. But as the time will go up, this keyword will rank further because I'll be pushing this keyword for sure. So I would recommend to keep your channel's name in the keyword when you are using it. Still I'm over, so let me remove few more keywords. then I can simply save it. Yeah, so it's now under 500 characters. I can save it. There is an option, you can set the video language. You can say, set the date, like which date you have recorded this video, or on what location you have shot this video or recorded this video, or you are publishing for the Indian audience. Let's say Indian audience, you can set the location to India. And also you can keep the lessons to standard YouTube lessons, because that's how gives you the copyright of your video. Otherwise, let's say there's a common Creative Commons, it gives the permission to use anyone. So don't use that, use only the standard license, which is the copyright is with you only. And further, if you are seeing those things remixing, like people are remixing the videos on YouTube, so you have to allow these three things. Either people can use your video and audio to create their videos, that's the first option. If you just want people should use your audio, cannot use your video, use the second option. And if you don't want people to use your audio or video, you choose the third option. And also you should set the category, like which category you are posting the video. That is also important, because that's the bucketing that YouTube does at the back end. So these are the lower details. There are few options on top. I'll just quickly talk about. Like we have done this copy pasting of the descriptions. We have I have just this thumbnail option right now. I'll talk about A/B testing quickly. Just we are little late. Just give us a few moments. Let me just download this. Let's say I'm using this thumbnail for this one. Let's say I'm using this thumbnail for my for this video. So I've downloaded this one, and I'm simply dragging and dropping it here. Okay, I think it's not giving me to upload because I'm not verified user. That's the issue. But I'll quickly just like show you in the different way. Yeah. Another option, I'll just quickly show you the playlist. You simply go to the playlist. You can create your own playlist from here. You can just say new playlist, and we have created those details, playlist details. You can simply use this title, description, and the hashtag to put this in this title description tab, and you can create this playlist, and you can add the video into this playlist. Let's say I'm using this playlist which I have already created, so I've added that video in the playlist, and I'm now you have to just set this two things. One of the things here, like either this video is made for kids or not. So you have to just choose one of these, and another option that this video is made with AI or not. So this video is made with AI, so I'll choose yes, that video is made with AI. And these are the basic settings that we have to do in the first option. Then you can continue with the next. You can set up your let's say if you want user to click, let's say people have gone to the watch the full video, and if you want people to subscribe your channel, simply just put this thing here, and then if you want any video to show up there in the last frame, you can just keep it best for the viewers, so that the viewer will get the whatever videos are on your page, it will show them and they can click on this video. So these are the ways how you hook the users to continue watching your content continuously. So let's say I've done this, and you can also add some cards here. You can also add some videos and playlist in the video. I'm not doing this. Then this is the copyright checks that you can see. Let's say if you're uploading any content, you will be seeing that if the video has any copyright claims made or not. If this is not green, then you will have to edit or rectify your video. If it's in green, you will continue, and then you can simply, this is the unlisted. Right now, I would recommend to schedule your content. Let's say everything is okay, then you can schedule it for, let's say, tomorrow or day after, whatever day you want to set the date and time. If you will know, let's say if your channel is growing, you have been using your channel for a month, then you'll get the timing details which I have showed you day before yesterday, I guess, that at what time your audience are active. So based on that time, you can schedule your content as well. So that's how you schedule, and then you can simply click schedule, and that time this video will go live automatically. So that's how I have kept all these details. Now I'll quickly just jump to my different channel. I'll just quickly show you the A/B testing one, and then I'll close this session. So I'm on my another channel. Here you can see the, let's say I have this content. Let's say here I'm on this content. So here you can see this A/B testing option. I can simply click on this A/B testing button. So it will show me either I can test the titles. I mean, I can test up to 3 titles for 2 weeks. This any test will run for max 2 weeks. You can edit after within 2. I mean, whenever you will reset. Or you can only set the thumbnails, 3 thumbnail options, but with 1 title. Or you can do like 3 title options and with 3 different thumbnails, which I was doing. I have created 3 thumbnails here. You can see I have created 3 thumbnails. So I could use 3 thumbnails with 3 titles as well. So that's how you can set 3 different title and thumbnails for your A/B testing, and it will show you like which title and thumbnail giving you more watch time, and based on that it will be give you a report, and based on that report you can set your final thumbnail and title to your video when you are published. So yeah, that's all about this. One last thing I would say, let's say I have this thing here. Let's say we have this title, and I don't like any of these 3 titles, but I want a title which can go ranked basically. So you can go to the vidIQ, because I was talking about this. In this tool, there is an option called generate. You can simply put your tentative title here. I have just pasted it here. Let's say it will use your 10 credits for sure. But what it will give you, an updated title with the highest score possible. It will give you a description. It will give you a tags, which is the highest rank in ranking right now on the YouTube. So vidIQ is also one of the best tools, as I was telling you and discussing with you in the last sessions. And that's how you can directly get the filtered data, filtered title, filtered description, filtered keywords directly from your topic and your niche. So yeah, so this was this. And it also gives you thumbnail options, but the thumbnails are not that good. I would say don't use vidIQ for the thumbnailing. Use ChatGPT or Canva or Gemini for thumbnailing. Yeah. So that's all from my side for today's session. I hope you have enjoyed and you have learned. Whatever questions you have.
Thank you so much, Sashi. So Sashi, the A/B testing part, if you could show that once again, because I think your screen, there was a delay.
You are in the studio. Just go to your content option in the left. In the content, you will see all your videos, your shorts, and your posts, your playlist, and everything. So in the videos, simply go to your. So only A/B testing are available for this long form videos, not for the shorts or any other content. So let's say so this video does not have the A/B testing right now. So I'm just clicking on this. In this detail, you can see this in the title section. There is an option called A/B testing button here. You can see this. Click on this A/B testing button, and then you will be able to see 3 options you can test. First is only title, second is only thumbnail, and third is the thumbnail and title both. And you can see it whenever you are putting the content. If the vidIQ is installed, it will give you all the scores and everything. You can see this title has a 90. So yeah. So you simply, let's say I'm just putting different titles and different thumbnails here. So it will keep giving me, like, let's say I'm just using the same for the sake of doing this. Yeah, so you can see the score is 78. Still, if you want, let's say I'll add LTM. This is my channel name. It will either push or decrease mine. So it's not working for this video. LK. So LK has added me this. So you can just add the keyword. So basically it has boosted my this title now. You can see. But you have to be in your niche only. You cannot use any other keywords which can give you a rank but cannot give you a views. So just be mindful with that. Yeah. So that's how you can put different keywords and different titles. You can upload different titles, thumbnails here, and just simply set the test. This button you have to just set. So yeah, I hope this is clear.
Yes, it's absolutely clear. Thank you so much, Sashi. Your explanation was awesome. Let me tell you this, that
Thank you so much.
you gave us a complete journey from ideas to videos and how creators can efficiently produce high quality content using AI tools. Now, let's quickly get into the questions because we've got a lot of questions that have come up. So
Of
the
course.
first question that we have from Priyanshu, he says that he was using ChatGPT, but now his limit has, he's reached to the limit and he's not able to get any more information from ChatGPT. So what can he do? Can he check any other uh,
Yeah,
apps
you
or
can use
something?
Google Gemini because Gemini will help you for sure there if you have reached the limit.
Okay, so I hope that answers your question, Priyanshi. You can check Gemini, and I'm sure that that will help you. And now the next question is from Anup. Is it good to create video using AI video generator and upload it in YouTube?
Yes, yes, of course. Because in this entire session, we are talking about the AI video content only. Yes, of course, you can create, upload, and you can monetize those videos. But only criteria is the content should not be just one prompt content. It has to be like created from the like a story point of view, emotional point of view. You have put some effort around that. So those needs to be visible in the video output.
Wonderful. There's another question. He says, AI with voiceover, is it good or not? And can we monetize using AI voiceover in YouTube?
So if you are using only voiceover, you can monetize for sure. The answer is yes, but you cannot just directly use the AI audio. You have to maybe let's say if you are generating AI audio, and you want to you have to support with some visuals, or let's say you are creating the audio, you must have the script around that. So those things matter. So yeah, but you can use AI audio and you can monetize.
But can they use Suno AI app?
But of course, the lyrics that you are using in the Suno AI, you have to create yourself. Maybe you can take help of AI, but you have to put your emotional effort, your content ideas into that lyrics first. Second, of course, you can generate the content out of Suno and you can upload on YouTube. You can monetize. But of course, I will recommend to support it with the visuals.
Right. Thank you so much. There's another question, a very good question from Shamala. When you check it for kids channel, when you restrict it, does it restrict the video audience to open or to wider audience, or does it restrict
So
it to
it
go to
is
many?
open for wider audience, but it's just that there will be lesser ads on your content first, so that there will be lesser incomes if the content is monetized. But channel is monetized first. Second, uh, only those videos will be visible to the people who are interested in the kids content, not the generic audience.
Okay. There's another question from Devi. How score comes from hashtags or tags?
So
How do you see scores here?
So hashtag does not have a score. You can simply, whenever you are using any hashtag, you can see there is a already written that 2.1k hashtags being